is the favorite part about starting the morning. A new bag of coffee. How's it going? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, whatever you want to call it. Today we're going to be looking at the Xiaomi Mi magnetic outdoor camera, indoor outdoor camera. But look at that view. Okay, let's see if we can get that ND filter sorted. Where are we? Anyway, come on, what? Goddamn. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's a little dark. Yeah, look at that. That's living on the beach, baby. Okay, bye. This is a different unboxing. I tried to mix it up a little bit. I'm going with two cameras, one looking down on the product and one obviously looking at me. Awkward. So I have the Xiaomi magnetic outdoor IP65 rated camera. Let's just crack it open. Okay. So first thing out of the box, we have a QR code scanner. Okay, I won't give you the code just in case someone nicks it on me. And next we have a very tightly packed on here. Okay, oh look at that. There's a bit of padding at the top from the lens. So you can see here, straight at this, the lens and a bit of padding just for the safety features. Okay, let's see if I can maneuver this out. Okay, so there. Straight out. This is what you receive. If anyone can see me there. Let's see if we can get this camera out. Ah, it's nice and graceful, John. Well done. Okay, so first thing is we have the camera. And make sure everyone can see me there. Okay. So a bit of plastic. So it comes with so this is your memory card, which is very gonna need a knife to get into that, and that's good because this is outdoor weatherproof IP65. The cable charger has a little plastic covering, and there's a speaker here in the back. See if I can pick that up. Can you see that speaker there? See if you can get there. Little speaker cover on it there. Okay, so leave that down. Now what else is there? Okay, so you USB charger. Yes, this is the cable. Okay, this is the extension cable. And oh wait no. Okay, that's the magnetic, and it came with a little. So this is the sticker. So it's a metal thin piece. It's a sticker. It's handy for something, but yeah. Okay, another look there. Shiny, shiny, shiny. And then this is the groove. So this is the base that has. I'm guessing this sticks to this. Yeah. Okay, it's quite solid, yeah. I mean, this is the adhesive. Will this be strong enough on a wall? Does it have to go to a particular material to even be more adhesive? Okay, so I can see here it's got like a half shaped to it. It's kind of like on a 35-degree angle there. See if you can get that. Okay, and that has a magnetic base on it, and this then sits like this. Or does it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. There's certain parts of it that are magnetic. Ooh, that's strong. Yeah, that's strong. There's other parts. So here it doesn't stick. But that is quite. Yeah, that's quite strong. Okay, let's mount it and see what it does. I mean, that's what you say. Let's mount it up. Mount up! Okay, as you can see, I have it mounted neatly in the corner. Neatly been the word there. Nice couple of cable ties. There's, I brought my power in, comes down and around. Let me just see where you look. So it's our front door. So if you were to walk in, bang, the first thing you see is the camera. And I should get a notification. Well, should be being the opposite word. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here is the daytime, obviously, and you can see the auto framing kicking in straight away. It's got the shape of my body, I'm guessing, and you can make me out very clearly. You can really see my tattoos, and you can see the fact that I'm trying to speak but didn't record it. Idiot. Alright, so here's nighttime, obviously. Yep, you can see me again. The auto frame is working. Clearly make out my face. This is nighttime with a light on. I don't think it's as good as the other one. So that's the camera sound test. Hope you hear me. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do now.
Hey, how's it going? Hope you can hear me clearly. Get off my lawn.
I also have mine connected up to my device, so I'm just going to say this out clearly. Show me the hallway camera.
Okay.
It does take a couple of seconds to load. And there we go. It's got the time. The only thing is you can zoom in, zoom out, just see what's happening. Okay, I'm back in the studio, aka the office now. The Xiaomi Mi magnetic base camera. Okay, so it has a 1080p high definition picture with 170-degree super wide angle. It has an IP65 rating, which is anti-dust and waterproof, which means it can be placed indoors or outdoors. It has infrared night vision, two-way voice communication. It has 10 meters infrared range, a night vision scope, zoning classification, intelligent detection, and because of the magnetic base, it's simple to mount, which means no drilling, which is great for renters. Now, I won't go into too much detail about how to set up in and around the app. I will say that it is quite easy and it's simple to navigate. So, my overall verdict. Okay. This is a really good budget camera, and as you can see from the pictures that I've taken already, the quality of the picture is quite good. I do think the Yi Home camera is better for indoor shots, but if it's an outdoor security camera you need, then this has to win just because of its IP65 rating and also the price. But there is a but. You've probably noticed I haven't shown a notification test. Well, I couldn't really do one as my Xiaomi app is already set up and I couldn't set it to mainland China. There's a reason, because if all my smart bulbs are Xiaomi, I wasn't going to reconfigure them all. I mean, I had to reconfigure all my routines, etc. And I wasn't happening. I'm not sorry one bit. Now I have gone through every setting to try and fix this, but the notifications only pop up once you try to open the app. Pointless. And that's why it's very hard to me to recommend this camera for security reasons. But if you still want to go with it, then the SD recording works just fine. But if you're out and about, you're at work, and you need to know if someone has entered your property, then maybe this is not for you. If there's something I've missed, let me know. But once again, thanks for watching, and if you could hit the like button, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. See you in the next one.